Jeep Wrangler versus Jeep Gladiator. Mechanics' honest review. Which one should you buy? Today we're answering one of the most confusing Jeep questions people ask me all the time. Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator? They look similar, they drive similar, they share engines, transmissions, and platforms. But they are not the same vehicle, and choosing the wrong one can cost you money, comfort, and headaches. This is not a showroom review. This is a real-world, mechanic-level comparison. Ownership, maintenance, reliability, off-road use, daily driving, and long-term cost. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which Jeep fits your life. Let's get into it. What these Jeeps really are. Jeep Wrangler, the pure Jeep. The Wrangler is the icon. Shorter wheelbase, lighter body, removable doors and roof. Built for trails, rocks, mud, sand. It's designed to be simple, modular, off-road first, road second. Jeep Gladiator, a Jeep with a truck bed. The Gladiator is a Wrangler platform with a pickup truck body, longer frame, higher payload and towing. Think of it as 70% Wrangler, 30% mid-size pickup. This difference affects everything: ride quality, maintenance, and usability. Engine and transmission comparison. Shared engine options. Both Wrangler and Gladiator commonly come with 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar, 8-speed automatic transmission, 6-speed manual, with Wrangler more common. This engine is proven, decent power, easy to repair, widely available parts. Mechanics' opinion on the 3.6-liter V6. Pros: reliable if maintained, timing chain, not belt, good aftermarket support. Cons: oil cooler housing leaks, rocker arm and lifter failure, needs frequent oil changes. Warning: skip oil changes on either Jeep and you'll pay for it. Transmission reality. The 8-speed automatic is the better choice. Smoother shifting, better for towing, better for daily driving. The manual is fun, but clutch wear on lifted Jeeps is common. Off-road performance. Wrangler off-road. This is where the Wrangler shines. Advantages: shorter wheelbase, better breakover angle, easier to maneuver on tight trails, lighter weight. If you love rock crawling, mud trails, serious off-road parks, Wrangler wins. Gladiator off-road. The Gladiator can off-road, but with limits. Pros: same lockers and transfer case options, strong Dana axles, good traction systems. Cons: long wheelbase, scrapes on steep angles, less agile on technical trails. It's better for overlanding, dirt roads, trail plus camping setups. Daily driving and comfort. Wrangler daily driving reality. Let's be honest, Wrangler on-road is noisy, stiff suspension, sensitive steering, and poor aerodynamics. It's fun, but not relaxing. Great if you accept Jeep quirks and you don't drive long highway distances daily. Gladiator daily driving. The Gladiator is more livable. Longer wheelbase equals smoother ride, more stable at highway speed, and better weight distribution. It's still noisy, but less tiring than Wrangler. If you commute daily, Gladiator is easier to live with. Towing, payload, and work use. Wrangler. Towing, limited. Payload, low. Bed, none. Not built for work. Gladiator. This is where Gladiator dominates. Towing, up to 7,700 pounds proper setup. Payload, over 1,600 pounds. Real truck bed. Perfect for tools, motorcycles, camping gear, construction materials. If you need utility, Wrangler can't compete. Maintenance and repair costs. Shared costs. Both vehicles require frequent alignment. Eat tires faster, especially lifted. Brake wear is average. Suspension bushings wear early off-road. Wrangler costs. Cheaper suspension parts. easier access for repairs, less stress on drivetrain. Gladiator costs. Longer drive shafts equals more wear. Heavier load equals faster brake wear. Suspension upgrades cost more. Over 5 years, Gladiator usually costs more to maintain. Reliability and common problems. Common Wrangler issues. Steering wobble or death wobble. Electrical issues with removable components. Soft top wear. Suspension looseness. Common Gladiator issues. Rear suspension sag under load. Drag shaft vibration when lifted. Brake wear when towing. Tailgate wiring issues. Neither is bulletproof, but both are manageable with proper care. Which one should you buy? Buy the Wrangler if off-roading is your priority. You want the classic Jeep feel. You don't need a truck bed. You want better resale. You enjoy weekend adventures. Buy the Gladiator if you need towing or payload. You use your Jeep for work. You want overland capability. You daily drive longer distances. You want Jeep plus truck in one. Mechanics' honest opinion. Here's the truth. The Wrangler is the better Jeep. The Gladiator is the more useful vehicle. Neither is wrong, but buying the wrong one for your lifestyle will frustrate you. Choose based on how you drive, what you carry, where you go, not just looks. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe to Advanced Backyard Mechanic for honest, no-nonsense car content. Drop a comment below, Wrangler or Gladiator, and why. I'll see you in the next one. Wrench smart, drive smart.